Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front shelf trim in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new front shelf trim. The front shelf trim mounts at the front edge of the glass shelf. It protects the glass edge from accidental chipping. The main reason why the glass shelf trim should be replaced is if it cracks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the shelf, we need to pull it out till it stops, then lift it up, and now we can remove it. Let's bring the shelf onto the table, and then I'm going to twist this outwards. This is the rear trim. We don't need to take it off. I'm going to free the glass. Then I'm going to lift up and pull out the glass from the front trim. Now I'm going to remove this front trim by pushing it out. So we're going to take the wire out of the trim. This is the old front shelf trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I can install the new front trim. It goes in this way. I'm going to place the wire shelf into this opening. And next, we're going to press the wire into the groove. Okay, next we're going to place the glass shelf into the trim. Slide it into this opening. Push it in. Then we need to place the trim in the center. So the glass would be between those two metal limiters. And we're going to turn and lock the glass with the rear trim. And now we're going to install the glass shelf by sliding it into this rail on the back and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.